Good morning, students. Welcome to my lecture. Today, I'm going to discuss about just wait. In previous classes, we have seen. Is it audible, students? Is my voice audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In previous classes, we have seen identifiers and data types, right? Today, I'm going to discuss about what is mutable data types and what is unmutable data types and operators. Let us discuss it. See, these are the data types. Already in previous class, we have discussed about these data types, right? Let us see what is meant by mutable data types and unmutable data types. See, int, second, int, float, and complex. These numerical data types are unmutable data types. What is unmutable data types means you cannot change these values. Once you have defined the value, you cannot change these values, right? Let us see it. See, these numerical data types int, float, and complex are unmutable. Unmutable means you cannot change. Mutable means which can be changed. Here, this numerical int, float, complex, these are unmutable. Unmutable, you cannot change. Let us see it. See here, once we have defined the value a equal to 10. Now, no need to declare in Python, no need to declare the variables, right? A equal to 10. Here, 10 is an integer, right? Here you have assigned 10 to variable a. Here automatically the type of this variable a is int. Now see here in Python everything is an object. Here this value is considered as an object. First, what is happening here? See here. Second, just wait. Sorry. Here, first for this object 10, the memory will be allocated for this object 10 and this a value is tagged. See here a is tagged to value 10. Here 10 is considered as an object. First memory will be allocated for this object and a value will be tagged. Now here a equal to 10.5. See what is happening again, you are assigning some new value a equal to 10.5. Here you are assigning some float value. Now what is the type of variable a? It is a float. Now what is happening here is you don't think that this 10 will be replaced by 10.5. No, 10 will not be replaced by 10.5. Here this integer, this value is, it's not a mutable, it is unmutable. You cannot change these integers. Okay, here again for 10.5 memory will be allocated. See, remember here these values are considered as an object. Again this 10, previous value 10 will not be replaced by 10.5. Again memory will be allocated for 10.5. Now here what is happening, a is tagged to 10.5. Okay, a is tagged to 10.5. So here these integers, these values, you cannot change these values. You cannot update these values. These are unmutable. You cannot change. Unmutable means you cannot change these objects. Okay. Now this 10, no, nothing. See, no variable is referring these 10, right? This 10, value 10, object 10. Now garbage collector will delete this 10 because you are not referring in, if you are not referring this value 10 or this object 10 in your program, that means no variable is referring this. Now garbage collector will delete this value 10. Okay. So these integer, float, and complex data types, these values are unmutable. These data types are considered to be unmutable. You cannot change. these values. Next, see here, you can assign like this also, x equal to y equal to 30. Here what is happening? For 30, first for 30 object, memory will be allocated for this object 30. Now x and y are tagged to 30. That means here what is happening here? X is tagged to 30. That means x is referring to memory location, some memory location address, some address. Y is also referring to same address. Y is also referring to same address. Okay. Next, see here, x comma y equal to 10 comma 20. Like this also you can define. See, you can assign values. Now x comma y equal to 10 comma 20. Now x is tagged to value or object 10. X is tagged to object 10 and y is tagged to object 20. In previously, see, x and y are tagged to 30, right? Previously there is an object 30, x and y are tagged to 30. Now again you are assigning some new values to x and y. X comma y equal to 10 comma 20. Now what is happening? For 10, all see here, for 10 memory will be allocated for 10. 1 second. Memory will be allocated for 10 and memory will be allocated for 20. Now x is tagged to 10, y is tagged to 20. X is referring to some other location and y is referring to some other location. Previously x and y are tagged to 30, right? So 30 is not replaced. See, this is unmutable. You cannot change the values. 30 previous value, x and y are pointing to or tagged to 30. This previous value is not replaced. Okay, remember that this previous value is not replaced. Now x is tagged to 10, y is tagged to 20. Now 30. 30 is no object, no variable is referring to 30, right? Now garbage collector will delete this 30. I hope you understood. Now I'll execute and I will show you. Just wait. Is the concept is start. Students, is the concept is clear? Have you understood what is unmutable? Please respond. Did you understood? Did you understand? Here this int float complex are unmutable. You cannot change these. Int float complex values you cannot change. These data types are unmutable. Now I will execute and I will show you. Just wait. Now see, I will execute. Just wait. Just wait for 2 minutes. Just wait, I'm opening Python ideally. In previous class, I have said how to download it, right? www.python.org. Go to www.python.org. In that download, you can see in downloads, you can download Python software. Yes, see here. Just wait. Okay, see here in Python ideally I am executing. Now a equal to, I'm assigning some value 10. Okay, a equal to 10 I am assigning. Now I'm assigning b equal to 10. Here what is happening? Second, equal to 10. See here. Now here what is happening is for 10 memory will be allocated for 10. First for this object, here all values are considered as an object. Here for value 10 memory will be allocated. A is tagged to value 10. Again see here b equal to 20. Don't think that here for b again for b memory will be allocated. No, again for b memory will not be allocated. Here first for value memory will be allocated. For 10 only it will be memory will be allocated for 10. Now again you are assigning same value to another variable b. Here what is happening? Again see, again memory will not be allocated for 10. Already 10 is created, right? Already 10, for 10 object memory is allocated. Now b is tagged to value 10. Now let us see the memory address. Okay, id, you need to use id function. Id function, I am passing variable id of a. What it displays? Id of a. A is a variable. Id function displays address. See here, what is the address? 264072084948. This is the memory address. Now A is referring to value 10. At which address? At this address. See here it is displayed. Now let us find out ID of B. ID of B. ID of B. See here same address, right? A is referring to same address and B is referring to same address. What is ID of A? See here. ID of B, same address. That means A and B are tagged to value 10. Again, memory will not be allocated for value 10. Okay. Now see here, a equal to 20. I'm assigning another value. Previously, a equal to 10, right? A is tagged to value 10. Now, here these integers or these data types are unmutable. You cannot change. Here I'm assigning new value 20. Don't think that 10 will be replaced by 20. No. Here 10 sorry, for 20 again memory will be allocated. Now A is tagged to value 20. Now let us see what is the address location of variable A. Now you will understand. See here ID of A. See here, previously A is referring to which location? 264072084948. This location where value 10 is present or value or object 10 is present. Now you are assigning new value 20. Now let us see what is ID of A. A is tagged to value 20, object 20. See some different location. That means here, that means these integers are unmutable. You cannot change these once you have defined, once you have assigned this value, again you cannot change this value. See A previously A equal to 10, now A equal to 20. 10 is not replaced by 20. For again 20, memory will be allocated. Now A is tagged to value 20. See, different memory. Previously, A location is this one, 889488. Now, memory location for A is some other different location, right? That means these integers are unmutable. You cannot change these integers, okay? Don't think that old value will be replaced by new value. No, old value will be there and new value also will be there in different location. Did you understand? Is it clear, students? Shall I continue?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Now, just wait. Yes, see here, string. In previous class, I had discussed about string and methods of string. Again, now see here, string. This string is unmutable data type. What is unmutable? You cannot change. See, remember, unmutable means you cannot change. Mutable means you can change. Okay, int, float, complex are unmutable data types, and string. String is an unmutable data type. String is a unmutable data type. Let us see. See, unmutable means you cannot change, right? Let us see it. See here. See, at bottom I'm typing. Now, s equal to, see, always remember that strings are nothing but group of characters, right? Strings must be placed in double quotes or single quotes only. In Python, you can use single quotes also. Lavanya. Now, s equal to Lavanya, this is a string. Now, see here, just wait. See here, see LAVNY, L occupies 0th index. See, index starts from 0, 1, 2, 3. The index starts from 0 to size -1. Okay, let us see it. See here. See, these are indexes. L occupies 0th index, A occupies first index, B occupies second index, and so on. Now, if you want to access these individual characters, L, A, V, A, N, Y, A, okay, individual characters, here you need to use subscript operator, open square bracket and close square bracket. Now I want to access L. How to access L? See, what is the variable here? S. S of 0. S of 0. S square. Open square bracket, close square bracket. In that you need to use index. Here, what is the index of L? 0, right? S of 0 means you are accessing character L. Okay. If you want to access A, S of 1, A, you are going to access A. S of 2, you are going to access B. Okay. In this way, you can access the individual characters. Now, let us see whether this string is mutable or unmutable. Okay. Let us see it. Let us see. See here, S equal to LAVNY Lavanya. Now, see whether I see what is meant by unmutable. You cannot update or you cannot change, right? Unmutable means. See, unmutable, you cannot change. Unmutable means you cannot update or you cannot change. See, S of 0. 0 equal to, I am assigning some S character. What is happening? Whether you can change the string, whether in 0th location, whether L is replaced by S or not. Now let us see it. See here, there is an error, right? str object does not support item assignment. See here. What is error you got? str object, string object, everything. Remember that in Python, everything, every value, every character, everything will be considered as an object. String object does not support item assignment. That means in zeroth location, you cannot update any other value or you cannot assign any other value. That means strings are unmutable. You cannot change the strings. Integer is unmutable data type. Float is an unmutable data type. Complex is an unmutable data type. That means you cannot change. Next, string is unmutable data type. Just now we have seen it in zeroth index. You cannot replace L with S, right? It is not supporting. So you cannot change the string. Once you have defined this, you cannot change this. So string is an unmutable data type. I hope it is clear. Next, next one. Just wait. Next, see tuple. Say about list, tuple, range, sets, dictionaries. I will say later. Now today, just now we have discussed what is unmutable data types, right? Integer, float, complex strings are unmutable. You cannot change. What are mutable data types which you can update the values? That I will say later. Now let us see operators and input output functions. Okay, let us see it. See, what are the operators? Already you know arithmetic operators, relational operators, assignment operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, right? In C language you have learned it, right? In Java, all this you have learned it. In Python, additional to this, see, membership operators and identity operators. This you need to learn in addition. Already you know these operators. Arithmetic operators, relational operators, assignment operators, logical operators, bitwise operators. In addition to this, new thing you have to know is membership operators and identity operators. These are the operators in Python. Now let us see each one. Arithmetic operators. Let us see it. See here, these are the arithmetic operations in Python. Addition, subtraction, multiplication. Here, new thing you need to know is what is floor division, double division operator. And next you need to know what is star star. Exponent operator, what is star star. And you know what is modulus, right? It is going to find, it is used to find the remainder. And division you know, subtraction you know, addition you know, multiplication you know, right? Now let us see what is these two new operators which you need to know it. Two double division. See double division, floor division. What is floor division? And two stars, star star. Exponent. What is it? I will explain. I will execute and I will show you. I will execute and I will show you. See here. I am typing. See at the bottom. Now see. First, let us see division. 5 divided by 2. What is the answer? Let us see 5 divided by 2. See, you got 2.5, right? You got exact value. 5 divided by 2, you got exact value 2.5. Fractional part. You got fractional part also, right? Floating point number. Now, let us see double division. 5, 5, floor division 2. See, now what you will get? See, you got answer only 2. That means floor division, it will round it. Floor division, you will get only integer part. See the difference between division and floor division. In floor division, you will get only integer part. You won't get the decimal part. Okay. It will display only integer part. Actually, 5 divided by 2 is 2.5, right? 5 floor division 2, you will get only integer. What is that? 2. 0.5 will be truncated. You won't get 0.5. You will get only integers. Okay. Now, star star. What is star star? Let us see 2. 2 stars. 2 star star, 1 second, 2 star star 3. This is exponent. If you want to find 2 power 3, you need to give 2 star star 3. What is the answer? Let us see 8. 2 power 3 is 8, right? Star star is nothing but power. It is going to find power. 2 star star 3. 2 power 3, 8. 4 star star 2. What you will get? 16. 4 power 2, 16. I hope you understood what is double division, floor division. Once again, see floor division. You will get answer to only integer part. And what is star star? You are going to find exponent 2 power 3. 2 power 3, you just write down 2 star star 3 is nothing but 2 power 3. 4 star star 2, it is nothing but 4 power 2. Now, next one, relational operators. What are relational operators in Python? See here. Already you know this greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to, greater than, or equal to, less than. See, these are the relational operators. Next, assignment operators. Let us see add and assignment. First, see this one. See this one. A equal to A plus B. A equal to A plus B. Here, in right side of the assignment, there is an expression, right? A plus B. Here, A and B are called operands. Plus is called operator. A equal to A plus B. Here, A and B are operands and plus is an operator. Now, here, right side of the assignment operator, there is an expression. If first operand is same as left side variable. What is left side variable? A. Left side variable is A and right side first operand is A. If you find any expression like this, you can write A plus equal to B. See here. 1 second. See, A plus equal to B. A plus equal to B. This is similar to A equal to A plus B. This is similar to A equal to A plus B. When you can write the shorthand notation, when right side first operand, right side of assignment, first operand is same as left side variable of assignment. Okay, A equal to A, both are same, right? If same, you can write like this shorthand notation, A plus equal to B, that is similar to A equal to A plus B. Okay. See, A minus equal to B, that A minus equal to B, this is similar to A equal to A minus B. This is shorthand notation. A into equal to B, this is similar to A equal to A into B. This is shorthand notation. Now, let us see logical operators. What are logical operators in Python? AND. Here you need to use AND, not, OR. AND, not, OR. Let us see it. See this example. See this example. 5 greater than 2. 1 second. 5 greater than 2 and this is logical operator and 3 greater than 5. See here 5 greater than 2 is a true, right? 5 greater than 2. It is true. And 3 greater than 5. 3 greater than 5 false. See, true and false. What is the total expression? When you are using logical and, if any expression is false, total expression is false. Then total expression is false. Now for this total expression, you will get false. Okay. See this truth table. Already you know all these things. If you are using AND, when you are using AND, if any of the expression is false, then total expression is false, right? Let us see. I will execute and I will show you. Next, See the next example. 5 greater than 2. 5 greater than 2 is true, right? And 3 greater than 5, false. See, true, true or false. What you will get? Total expression is a true. Total expression will be true. Remember that when you are using OR operator, logical OR operator, if any expression is true, then whole expression will become true. I will execute and I will show you. See here, see at the bottom I am typing. I will execute and I will show you. 5, 1 second, 5 greater than 3 and 3 greater than 5. See, you are getting false. Remember this here, F is capital letter, okay? This F is capital letter, remaining are small letters. This is a keyword. What is the total expression is false. Now let us see end operator. 5, sorry, OR operator. 5 greater than 3 or 3 greater than 5. What you will get? True. Remember that end operation, when you are using end operation, if any of the expression is false, then total expression becomes false. When you are using OR operator, if any expression is true, then total expression will become true. Already you know this. Just next. Next, bitwise operators. See, bitwise operators. These operators are used to manipulate the data at bit level. Say bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise XOR, ones complement, left shift, right shift. These are bitwise operators. These bitwise operators are used to manipulate the data at bit level. Okay. See, let us see examples. You will understand. See here. See, first see the truth table of end operator, bitwise end operator, bitwise XOR, bitwise OR, and see the examples. 1 and 1 you will get 1, 1 and 0 will get 0. If any of the operand is 0 in end, you will get 0 only. Okay. Just see the truth tables. Already you know these truth tables. Now see here, A equal to 0, 1, 1, 1. This one, B equal to 0, 1, 1, 0. Now you are applying bitwise and what you will get? 1 and 0 you will get 0. 1 and 1 you will get 1. 1 and 1 you will get 1. 0 and 0 you will get 0. See the truth table. Already you know all these things. Here what is happening? You are performing some operations at bit level. Okay. Now I will show you this way. Already you know these truth tables. You are familiar with this. I will execute and I will show you. See, now, see, let us find binary equivalent to 5. You need to use bin function. Bin, here I am passing 5. Now what it displays, see. If you want to convert the decimal number into binary, just use bin function. See, here 0b. 0b is nothing but binary number of 5. What is the binary number of 5? 101. Okay. In this way, you can find the binary number. It will display the binary number. Now, what is the binary equivalent to 2? What is binary equivalent to 0b? If there is 0b, it is starting with 0b is nothing but binary number. If you want to find out the binary number, binary equivalent to decimal number, just use bin function. If you want to find hexadecimal number, then you use HEX. HX function. If you want to convert the decimal number into octal number, use OCT function, octa function. Okay, it's very easy. No need to write any code. Just use this bin function. Now, uh, where you can use this bitwise operators? What is the use of these bitwise operators? Just simple example I will show you. Now, if you want to find out, 1 second. If you want to find out whether the given number is even or odd, just you need to find out the given number is even or odd. I'm sorry, even number or odd number. You can use these bitwise operators. Now, see here. For example, 3, 3 and 1. 3 and 1. Here you are using bitwise operators. That means operations are performed at bit level. Okay, what is binary equivalent to 3 and what is binary equivalent to 1? You know it. Just apply AND operation. What you will get when you are applying AND operation? You are getting 1. See, remember, with odd numbers, if you are doing AND operation with 1, you will get only 1. Next odd number, let us see 5. 5 is an odd number, right? 5 and 1. What you are getting? You are getting 1. Let us see 17 and 1. 17 is an odd number, right? You are performing AND operation, bitwise AND operation with 1. With 1, what you are getting? Again 1. Now, by using this AND operation, you can find whether given number is even or odd. When you are applying AND with any number, if you are applying AND operation with 1, with 1 means you will get 1. If you are getting 1 means it is odd number. Let us see even number. Even number AND operation with 1. What you are getting? 0. Even number. Again, let us see 4 is an even number, right? Even number AND operation with 1. What you are getting? 0. That means with any even number, if you are performing AND operation with 1, you are getting 0. Now, by using AND operation and 1, you can find whether a given number is even or odd. Okay, how you are going to find whether a given number is even or odd? If you are doing AND operation with 1, you are taking an odd number, and if you are doing AND operation with 1, you are getting result 1 only. With any odd number, you are getting result 1 only. That means if the result is 1, it is an odd number. Okay, with any even number, if you are performing AND operation with 1, you are getting 0. Okay, with even number, if you are performing AND operation, you are getting 0, right? That means it is an even number. If the result is 0, it is an even number. If the result is 1, that is an odd number. In this way, you can find whether a given number is even or odd. In if condition, just use this operator 4 and 1. Okay, it is an even number. If it is getting 0, it is an even number. If it is getting 1, it is an odd number. In this way, you can use bitwise operators. Again, there are many examples of this. This is a simple example. See, for example, if you want to find whether a given number is power of 2, whether a given number is, see, 32 is a power of 2, right? 32 is a power of 2. Now, if you want to find this 32 is power of 2, just use the AND operation. How? See here, A equal to 32. A equal to 32. Now, A AND operation, A minus 1. What you will get? See here, you are getting 0. If you are getting 0 means this this 32 is a power of 2. A AND operation A minus 2, 32. AND operation 32 minus 1, 31. What you are getting? 0. Again, let us see. 4 is a power of 2, right? A equal to 4. A equal to 4. 4 is power of 2. 2 power 2, 2 power 2, right? Now you need to find whether this 4 is power of 2 or not. Just use AND operation. A and A minus 1. What is a minus 1? 3. 4 and 3. What we will get? 0. With any power of 2, if you are doing this AND operation, you are getting 0. That means the given number is, if you are getting 0 means the given number is power of 2. If you are not getting 0 means that is not power of 2. In this way, you can use these bitwise operators. Okay. This is a simple example. Did you understand, students? Is it clear? The concept is clear for you? Is the concept is clear for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. In this way, you can use bitwise operators. Next, input function. Now, from keyboard, if you want to take directly, you are assigning like this, right? A equal to 10. Now, from keyboard, if you want to take this input, what is the function? Input function, input function. Okay. Just like scanf. In C language, there is scanf, right? Just like scanf, in Python, you are using input function. Input name of the function and give parentheses. Input function. See here. Just s equal to input function. Here, it will wait for the input. Okay, system will wait for the input. You need to give the input. Now, if you want to print some message, like enter the value. If you want to print some message, then use some message inside input function. See here. See, a equal to input of enter a value. Enter a value. Okay. Inside input function, pass, you can pass any statement, just any string. Okay. That string will be displayed onto the screen, and then you need to enter some value. Okay, let us see. I will execute and I will show you. See here. See at the bottom. A equal to input function. Just I'm not passing any message. Just input function. What is happening? Let us see. See here. Here cursor is blinking, right? That is it is waiting for the input. You need to provide some input. Here I have entered 10. Now what is a value? Let us see. See here, a value is 10. Now see here. What you get result? What you got? Sorry. What you got the result? You got value 10 enclosed in single quotes. Remember that if anything is enclosed in single quotes means it is string. But here you have given an integer. But what is it is displaying? It is displaying some string value. That means by default, if you give float value by default, it will take as a string. Okay, see here again, once again, see here. Again, I am giving same statement. A equal to input function. It is waiting for some input. You need to provide some input through keyboard. Here I am entering 10.5. 10.5. Now I am displaying what is a value. Simply I am typing a and press enter. What you got? You got 10.5 enclosed in single quotes. If anything is enclosed in single quotes, that means it is a string, right? Here you have entered float value, but it is displaying string value. Why? Because by default, this input function will take any value as a string value only. If you want integer, just use int function. Just see here, int function. You need to use int function. Okay, how? A equal to int function. Inside int function, give input function. Inside int function, give input function. See here. Why you are giving int function? Int function will convert whatever the input you have given, it will convert it into integers. Okay. By default, this input function is taking everything as a string. Whatever you have given value, for example, if I have given if I have given integer value, See here, a equal to int function. I'm using int function, int of input function. Okay, see here. Now see, I'm pressing enter. Sorry. See, 10. I'm entering value 10. This value 10 will be stored in variable A. Now I'm displaying A. See here, 10 value is displayed. Okay, that means this int function will convert any value you are giving into integer. For example, once again see here, a equal to int function. Inside int function I am giving input function, enter. Now I am giving 10.5. What is happening? See here, it is displaying some error value. Okay, because 10.5 is an int is a float. You cannot give float value, because here you have assigned like this. You are giving int function, you need to give only integer value. We are providing int function. Inside int function uh, you are using input function, right? That means you have to give integer only. You should not use float value. You should not give, sorry, you should not give float value. If you are giving float value, it is displaying the error. Now a equal to a equal to float see, float function. Inside this float function I'm giving input function. Now see, enter. Now it is waiting for the input 10.5. I'm giving 10.5 floating point number. See here, now I'm displaying a. See what is there in variable a? 10.5. Okay, in this way you need to use input function. Now see here, a equal to, just I'm using input function. Just I'm using input function. It is waiting. It is waiting for the input. I'm giving 10.5. 10.5. Now I'm displaying value of a. See, it is displaying as a string. Why it is displaying as a string? Because by default input function will take any value as string. Okay. If you want to give integer as an input, then you need to use int function. Inside int function you need to give input function. Okay, if you want to give float value, you need to use float function. You need to use float function. Inside this float function, give input. Okay, see, if you want to print some message onto the screen, if you want to print some message, then just give that message inside input function. A equal to int of input function in double quotes, give some message, enter a value, enter. See, enter a value. Enter a value is displayed. Whatever the string you have given in input function, that will be printed as it is onto the screen, and then it is waiting for the input to give. You need to provide some input. For example, I'm giving 10. Okay, what is a value? A value is 10. I hope it is clear. A value is clear, right? Sorry, input function is clear, right? Next, see here, if you want to convert, if you want to give integer, just use int function. Inside int function, give input function. Okay, see this program, simple program. Just let us see addition program, right? It's very easy. See here, see at the bottom, a equal to int input. Inside input function, enter a value, close quotes, close the brackets, enter a value 10. I'm entering value 10. Next, b equal to int of input. Inside input function, enter B value. Enter B value. I'm giving 20. Now C equal to A plus B. C equal to A plus B. Print result. Result is double quotes close, comma C. Okay, see here, result is 30. C equal to A plus B, right? 10 plus 20, 30. This is a simple C program. If you want to give input through keyboard, you need to use input function. If you want to display some message onto the screen, just use that message inside input function. If you want to give integer value through keyboard, if you want to provide some integer value, give int function. Okay, inside int function, put input function. Next, print function. Let us see what is print function, output function, right? See, in C language, you are using printf function. Here in Python, you are using print function. Now, see, inside print function, inside double quotes, if you have given whatever you have given, that will be displayed onto the screen as it is. See here, print in double quotes hello. So, hello will be displayed as it is onto the screen. Now, if you want to display the variables value, okay, if you want to display variable value, just use the variable separated by commas. Print A, comma B. Here A value is 10, space. Here space, it will provide some space. After that space, B value will be printed, okay. Print A, comma B. Here variable list. If you remember, do not give variables inside double quotes. If you are giving variables inside double quotes, variable name will be printed. If you want to print variables value, then use just variables. No need to use double quotes. Just variables separated by comma. Here print A, comma B. Just A value will be printed, after space B value will be printed. Next. In this format also you can give. See the third format, print inside double quotes string. See, whatever the string you have given inside double quotes, it will be printed as it is onto the screen. After, if you want to provide some variables, give comma variable list. See the example. See the example here. Inside print function, see, the value of A is inside double quotes, you have given the value of A is. So, whatever you have given inside double quotes, it will be printed as it is onto the screen. After that, you have given comma. Why you have given comma? Because you want to display variables value. If you want to display variables value, give comma. After that, give variable. What is variable here? 10. Variable A value will be printed. See the output, the value of A is 10. Now, here you can use F string also. See here. You can use F string. How to use F string? See here. 1 second, I will zoom it. See, print, inside print, I am using F. Okay. Before double quotes, simply use F, and then inside double quotes, give the value of A is. Now, if you are using F string, if you want to display some variables value, just enclose that variable inside open flower braces and close flower braces. Okay, if you are using F string, that means inside print function, before double quotes is opening, just use F function. That means you are using F. Just use F. That means you are using F string. Okay. Here in F string, if you want to display variable A value, just use that variable A inside open flower braces and close flower braces. See here, print F, double quotes open, the value of A is flower braces. Inside flower braces, here I have given A. Now, what will be the output? The value of A is 10. In the place of this flower brace A, the variable's value is printed, double quotes close. Okay. Now, if you want to print 10 plus 20 equal to result, okay, you are adding a plus b, c equal to a plus b, a equal to 10, b equal to 20, c equal to a plus b. After that, you have given this print function. If you want to display like this, 10 plus 20 equal to result, okay, that means variable a value must be printed and plus must be printed and variable b value must be printed. After that, equal to must be printed. After that, result c value must be printed. You can use f string print function, f double quotes open. Now if you are using f string, if you want to print variables value, use that variables inside flower brace, open flower brace and close flower brace. Okay, see here, f, you are using f means this is f string, you are using f string double quotes open. Now you want to display variable a value, right? Remember that if you want to display variable a, flower brace include flower brace a plus flower brace b, flower equal to flower brace c, double quotes close. Now in the place of a, variable a value will be printed. In the place, now plus will be printed. In the place of b, variable b value printed. Next equal to will be printed. Next in the place of c, variable 30 will be printed. Okay, this is f string. See here, if just use f string, this is more referable. This is more preferable. I'm sorry, this is more preferable than remaining printf functions. Then first one, second one, third one. This fourth one, f string is more preferable. Prefer this function. Okay. See here. See, a equal to 10, b equal to 20, I didn't, a equal to 10, print f string. Here I am using f string. Okay. Here I am using in print open bracket f double quote c. What I have given here, a value is inside flower braces. I have given a. Here what it is printing in the place of flower braces a, it is printing whatever the value present in a, it is printing as it is onto the screen. See, a value is 10. Okay, in the, see here, if you are using f string, just use flower braces. Inside flower braces, use the variable. In the place of this flower braces and variable, that variable value will be printed. Mostly prefer this in print function, mostly prefer this f string. Use in this format only with print function. Next, list and control statements. See, if you want to store multiple values, just use list. Okay, list is a data type. Here, list is a mutable data type, mutable. In starting class only, I have said what are immutable and mutable, right? Mutable. Mutable means you can change. That means you can update the values. Once you have defined some values, you can update the values. Here, list is a mutable data type. Okay, remember that. List is used for which purpose these lists are used? Lists are used to store multiple values. You can store same types of values. You can store different types of values also, or mixed types of values also you can store. Now let us see. Here, open square bracket, you need to use open square bracket and close square bracket. Inside this, just give some data separated by comma, which represent list. Okay. Okay, see the example. See, some list is a variable name. Here list is, I have given list as a variable. list equal to open square bracket, close square bracket. Inside this, I have given some data separated by comma. Now, this is nothing but list. Okay, lists are used to store multiple values, just like arrays. Lists are used to store multiple values of same type or similar type, same type or different type or mixed types. Okay. See, I will execute and I will show you. Just wait for 2 minutes. I will execute and I will show you. See here, use some variable. I'm using variable a equal to open square bracket 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40. See, here I have given some values, integer values. You can give similar types. Here all types I have given same types. You can give different mixed types also, like integer, float, string. You can give any mixed types also. Lists are used to store multiple values. Here you need to use open square bracket and closed square bracket. Inside that you need to give some variables separate, some values separated by commas. Okay, enter, print a. See here how it is printed, 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 inside open square bracket and closed square bracket. That means this is a list. Now let us see some list functions, okay, and the operations. Now see b equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay. Now here I am applying a plus b. What is happening? See, a plus b, here a is a list which contains value 10, 20, 30, 40, and b is a list which contains value 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. See here. See here, now I am applying plus operation. Here what is happening? Let us see here. A plus B. See, it is concatenating. If you are applying plus operation on two lists, what it is doing? It is concatenating. It is combining. See, 10, 20, 30, 40 or the values of list A, and 1, 2, 3, 4 are values of list B. Now we are doing A plus B. That means it's not performing addition operation. It is performing concatenation. That means it is combining two lists. If you want to combine two lists, just use plus operation. No need to write some piece of code. Just like in C language. It's very simple in Python. A plus B. Use A plus B. Now, see, A into, I'm using 2. A into 2. Don't think that 2 will be multiplied with each value. No. A contains value 10, 20, 30, 40. If you are applying multiplication, that means if you are applying multiplication means that means you are repeating. See what is happening here? 2 times the list will be repeated. 10, 20, 30, 40 again. 10, 20, 30, 40. You are repeating. Okay. See, A into 3. What is happening? A into 3. You are repeating 3 times. The list will be repeated 3 times. Print. Just I am displaying A. Okay. A into 3. It is nothing but it is repeating the list 3 times. It is displaying the list 3 times. Okay. Now, see, let us see the functions. What is here? A contains 10, 20, 30, 40. Now, if you want to add sum of A what it displays. See here, just if you want to add all the elements in the list, 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40, if you want all these elements, just use sum function. Sum of a is nothing but it is adding all the values, 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40, it is giving 100, it is giving its sum. It is very easy in Python. No need to use for loops or no need to use anything, just use sum function. It is very simple to add all the values in the list. Just use the function sum of a. It is displaying the value. Is it clear, students? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see. Next. Uh,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, okay. Now see a dot, a dot. Now see append function. Let us see append function. Append, append of 50. Append of 50. See, a is a very, what is this? A is a list dot, sorry, a is a list, right? A dot append function. Append, inside that I am passing value 50. What this append function is doing, let us see it. See, what this append function is doing is, it is adding the 50 as a last value to the list A. I am displaying A, right? See here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. What this append function is doing? It is adding the value to the end of the list. Which value have passed? 50. That 50 value will be added to the end of the list. Next again, a dot append of 60. Okay, a dot append of 60. A is a list. To this A list, it is adding 60 to the end of the list. Now let us display A. See here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. This is append function. Let us see another function. Copy, count, extend. Okay, let us insert. Let us see insert function. Insert. Now, if you want to insert for example, let us in first index. Index starts from 0 to size minus 1. 0th index contains 10. First index contains 20. Next, like that. Okay, index starts from 0. Now, in second index, I want to insert 33. In second index, I want to insert 33. Just use insert function. No need to write some piece of code. Just you are using in a C language. You are writing in a C language. No need to write some lengthy code. Just use insert function if you want to insert some value at some index. Second index. See here, I am displaying A. See here, 10 occupies 0th index, 20 occupies first index, 33 occupies second index. In this second index, you are inserting 33. It's very simple. Just use insert function. Okay. List variable dot insert. In this A variable list, here you are passing A, right? A dot, right? In this A list, it is inserting 33 in second position. Now, if you want to remove 33, see, A dot remove. A dot remove of 33. Sorry, A dot remove of 33. Now I am displaying A. See here, 33 is deleted, right? If you want to delete any value, just use a remove function and that value, that 33 is deleted from list A. Now, if you want to delete last value, okay, if you want to delete last value from the list, you need to use variable dot pop function. Okay, see, last value will be deleted. Okay, see the result, last value is deleted. Now I am displaying list A. See, last 60 is deleted. Okay, it's very simple. See, once again, see here, append function. If you want to add, end of the list, just use append of 50. list variable dot append function, inside append function pass some value, that value will be added to the end of the list. If you want to insert some value at some index position, just use list variable dot insert index position comma some value. Now this value will be inserted in second position in list A. If you want to delete some value, just use a remove function. Variable dot, what is this variable? List variable dot remove of some value, that value will be deleted. If you want to delete last value, use pop function, a dot pop. Now see, if you want to access zeroth index a of 0, a of 0, what you are getting, see here, you are getting 10 value. You can access individual values from the list. How to access individual values? Slicing operator. What is slicing operator? Open square bracket and close square bracket is slicing operator. If you want to access value 10, use its variable. What is the variable? List variable a of 0, 0th index value you are getting. A of 3, third index value you are getting. What is third index value? 40. Always remember that index starts from 0. 0th index value is 10. First index value is 20. Second index value is 30. Third index value is 40. Fourth index value is 50. Now, if you want to access just sublist 10, 20, 30. Just if you want to access 10, 20, 30, just use A. What is the index position of 10? 0, colon. What is the index position of 30? 0, 1, 2. Index position of is 30 is 2. Here, right index you must give whatever the index you want plus 1. I have to give 4. See. 0, 1, 2, 3. I get 4. 1 second. A of 0, 3. Okay, sorry. I'm sorry. See here. See, variable A value. See what is, see here. I'm highlighting. A contains 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. If you want to display 10, 20, 30 sublist from the list, if you want to display sublist, in this way you can define. Just give starting index, colon, ending index. That means it will display. That means it will display 0th index to 3rd index. It is going to display. Okay. Is it clear, students? Shall I continue? Is it clear? Is it clear? Students, is it clear? The concept is clear for you. Have you understood list? Please respond. It is very easy. Okay. You can see. Now, I want to see here what is, just I will display. See here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. A variable list contains 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now, if you want to reverse the list, A slicing operator colon minus 1. What is happening? See here, list is reversed, right? List is reversed. If you want to reverse the list, you can use variable name subscript operator colon minus 1. What this operation is doing? It is reversing the string. Sorry, reversing the list. Now, once again, another list B equal to open square bracket. I am giving 40, 30, 20, 10. Some other list B equal to, I am displaying list B. See, list B contains 40, 30, 20, 10. Now, if you want to sort this list, what is meant by sorting? Arranging the elements in ascending order. If you want to sort this list, just use B dot sort function. See, now this list is sorted. Now display B, you will get sorted list. See, 10, 20, 30, 40. Previously B contains 40, 30, 20, 10. Now, if you want to sort this list, no need to write some lengthy code, just like in C language. No need to for loops. No need to use lengthy code. Just use sort function. Variable name dot sort. B dot sort. The list is sorted. Now I am displaying B. See here, list is sorted, right? 10, 20, 30, 40. Previously, B list is 40, 30, 20, 10. Now, B list is sorted list. It's very easy, right? Okay. Now, see here. See. Now, B contains 10, 20, 30, 40. Now, I want to access last element. I want to access last element 40. How to access? You can use B of its index. What is its index? 0, 1, 2, 3. B of 3. What? Sorry. B of 3. See, you are getting 40. Here, you can use a negative index also. B of minus 1. See, B of minus 1. Minus 1 means last element. You are going to display last element. See, from last, if you want to display second element, last, from last second element, just use B of minus 2. That means second last element. What is second last element? 30. If you want to access third last element, negative index B of minus 3, you are getting 20. If you want to access last element, you can use negative index. B of minus 1 means last element you are going to access. B of minus 2 means last, from last second element, that means 30 you are going to access. B of minus 3 means from last you are going to access third element, from last. From last you are going to access third element, that is 20. So you can give negative indexes also. Once again, see B of colon minus 1. Remember, colon minus 1 is you are reversing the list. Previously, B contains 10, 20, 30, 40. See, previously, variable list B contains 10, 20, 30, 40. Now, if you want to reverse this list, just use colon minus 1. B of colon minus 1. The list is reversed. Okay. Is it clear? Is the concept is clear, students? Did you understand the list concept? It's very easy. List is nothing but it is used to group some elements, or it is used to store multiple values just like arrays. Did you understand? Only roll number 4 is responding. What about remaining members? Are you not able to understand? Okay, 40. So please practice. Already I have mailed the PPT and notes also. Already in WhatsApp groups you have the PPT and notes. Please refer that. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.